I'm Andy Armstrong, 3M application engineer, authorized trainer, and your go-to for all things 3M wrap film.
In this video, we're going to share some cool tips and tricks for wrapping bumpers with 3M Wrap Film Series 2080. For tricky areas of the bumper that can't be done in one piece, like deep recesses or scoops, we recommend using drop-in templates. To get clean cuts, especially where the film will overlap, use knifeless tape along the edges of all panels. When stretching the material along the bumper, use the bumper pole and a heat gun to make sure it lays flat along the body lines. Make relief cuts over areas like intakes, headlights, and taillights that won't be wrapped. This helps the film relax without messing up the overall wrap quality. If you get trapped air, use a heat gun and an air release tool to slowly warm the film and push the air out towards the hole. You can wrap the entire bumper with the clear protective film layer still on, but don't forget post-heat after you remove it.